Welcome to Shiny's Kitchen. Let's cook Besan Ladoo or gram flour laddu. Ingredient for it is 1 cup of besan or chickpeas flour, half cup of sugar, 2 cardamom, 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee. I am going to grind the sugar and the cardamom together. So let's cook. I have kept a pan with the gas on. So to this non-stick pan, we will just add the ghee. Once the ghee begins to melt, we will add the besan or the gram flour. You can keep the flame little medium to high. Okay, now we can see it has been melted all. Now keep the flame low, otherwise it might burn. Now mix continuously. Make sure the ghee is combined well with the besan. Keep the flame low and stir continuously for at least 25 to 35 minutes. Also in between we can see the lump. You can break the lumps in between. And stir continuously, keeping the flame on low. I have transferred this to a plate and now it is cooled down. I am going to add the cardamom and the powdered sugar and combine it well. Now our besan laddu is ready. Enjoy the snack. Thank you very much for watching Shiny's Kitchen.